Hello everyone, this is Jen and welcome to my channel. So I'm here to work on my decorating for my project planner. I usually use Cocoa Daisy kits for the month. So I'm gonna go right into it. If you're wondering what I'm using, this is a B6 Wonderland222 planner. And I have a section here that's for like my projects, for like my scrapbooking or my creative journaling, or whatever project I'm doing for the month. So I started this in January and you'll see it's very minimal, and then as I went along for each month it does get busy. I talk about when I have like get-togethers, meetups with my crafty friend. I think this section, I always talk about this section. I think I'm going to use this for when I go to my planner retreat. So I probably write down like the photos and what projects I'm going to do. I had accidentally skipped a page, these 2 pages. So that's why it's blank. And then I start filling things in. I like kind of write what kits I've gotten for that month. I started writing my empties, like my stickers, rub-ons. I just want to show you this before I throw it away. I've already recorded for June. So I just usually put it to the side, and I finished a glue stick. I finished a tape. I've even started to put like gel pen ink refills. I actually finished a washi. So I write that down. It's just fun knowing that my products are moving. And then there's May, June, and then so in June I decided to start using the sticky notes because I get so many sticky notes. I was like, why don't I just use the sticky notes for the month? I was also using like stickers from like my happy planner. So like I pulled out some, but for June, for August, I probably will not use these. I'm going to save these probably for my planner or for my journals. And I'm just going to use the sticky notes because you get so many sticky notes. Like here. So this is for July. I'm doing one book July. And then I'm writing down that I wanted to do my August setups. I wrote down what kits I got for the month. And then here, these are projects that I need to work on. So work on my composition memory book, prompts. I need to print some photos for my composition book. I put don't feel pressure if I don't feel like it. So July has been kind of slow for me. I'm kind of low energy. So yeah, so I have to remind myself, don't worry about it. And I will do July empties at the end of the month. Oh, I'm sorry. For June empties, I got 33 rub-ons and stickers. And then I put like 1 glue stick, 1 double-sided tape, and then 1 washi tape. So yeah, the point is to use our stuff up. I even put the old washi. So if there's a kit and it has some washi tape or something that kind of goes with it, then I just use it. Like here, this was old washi from Cocoa Daisy. It was like a September kit. This is some older washi. So I just added it. So this is older as well. So I don't limit it just to that month if there's something that matches. Speaking of, I had some I wrote some washi up on here. So if I find that some of it works for August, then I'm going to use it. All right, so let's go ahead and see what I have here. So I have this Daiso container, and I've separated my, this is the deluxe journaling kit. Those are those die cuts. I am probably definitely going to use the shoes. So I pretty much use die cuts that I know I'm not going to probably like really use. Like I probably will use this ticket. And then I probably use this ticket as well because for September, I think there's more tickets. Also, as a heads up, I did get more of this collection. Once I saw September, I decided I wasn't going to get a lot from September. So I decided I did order more. When I saw it opened, I ordered the memory kit and the creative kit, which I'm super excited about. So I definitely want to use the items that I have. So this is, I kind of make this almost like a sampler style page. So let's go ahead. We're going to start with washi. So I'm thinking this washi can go at the top and this washi can go at the bottom. And that's another thing. So I also have a sampler book, which I have used, and I decided I don't need like two Cocoa Daisy sampler style books. So I'm just going to do all my sampler pages in this in my planner, and then I can write down my goals of what I want to do for that month. So this will be for August goals. Okay, and once again, let's go ahead and use these because like I said, I try to use kits that die cuts like this. This is really big, so I don't know if I would actually use that. I mean, I probably would if I found a reason to use it. Oh my goodness, this washi tape is like stuck. But I'm just gonna use it in my sampler little book or my planner, Wonderland222 planner. Let me just rip this because for some reason it's acting all weird. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and add this up here. So hope everybody's well. Currently we are dealing with fires here, burning near us, coming from Canada. So it's really smoky outside. So this is like a perfect day to do like a little fun little activity because it's already the 16th. And before we know it, it's going to be August. So I figured I might as well go ahead and do a process video for my my Cocoa Daisy, I guess we'll call this my prospect planner page. What do I want to call it? Like my plans for my crafty goals. So I thought this would be fun to use this. Okay, I'm back. So I have these Post-it notes. I don't know if I said that. Sorry, my phone, the memory. So I gotta hurry up. I definitely want to use these Post-it notes. I don't know if I'm gonna cut these up. I'm trying to see if I have some scissors by me. Of course, I probably moved my scissors, so we'll see. But I'm thinking I can use this for my so I slit the top of this so I can pull it right out. Just makes it easier. So I'm thinking maybe we'll put these Post-it notes here. And I have some glue. So this is one of my favorite glues. I also use Elmer's glue. Ooh, put too much. Turn this like kind of quick. All right. So I can put this here. Such a beautiful Post-it note. Here we go. And then over here, let's see. So I usually put a decoration next to it. So I noticed this Allentown is here again. So I definitely want to put that Allentown there. Let's see what other. So these are the clear die cuts. Oh, here's some more of those tags. So maybe I'll just line this tag up over here. Put that there. Let me see if I have any more tags. If not, actually I may put this here. And kind of, yeah, I like that. And then maybe I can, one of these I'll put my empties, but I also want to put this here. So let's see. Put that. I have another tag here. Let's see. Maybe this one can go here. This one can go here. And then maybe this can go here. Yep, I think that's what I'm gonna do. This is the vellum stickers from the stationery kit. Just put that there. And this is the die cut from the deluxe journaling kit. I can also put a little list there as well, actually, if I want to. List something there. And then, maybe I will add maybe that wood grain right there. Just kind of rip that off there. And then I can stick this here. And this is a vellum, so it's going to be see-through, which is fine. And then on my flip through, when I share my August lineup, I can share with you my goals for August. It'll definitely be printing off some photos because I need to get some photos printed off. And let's see. Yeah, let's put that there. Oh, okay, that ripped. I've never seen that happen before. Like I said, you could tell in my past I used it was less busy, but because I have all these extra die cuts and these sticky notes, I like fill the page up now. Oh yeah, that's nice. Kind of overlap. So I think over here I am gonna put like for my August empties. So date, we'll put August. And then put empty. Okay, my phone cut off. So I did stick these down, the vellum, and cardstock. I decided I'm gonna list my planners and journals that I'm gonna use for the month. And then my projects here, my empties, and my August kits. So I think I'm gonna leave it at that because if not, then it's gonna be too busy. So I hope you enjoyed this video. So there's my July and then my August. I feel like I want to put something else. But these die cuts are pretty big. Maybe let's do this. Let's put one more. This is pretty. Oh, wait. Let's do the bigger one. We could put that maybe right here. Just feels big, doesn't it? Let's use the smaller sticker. It seems like, oh, or I could just fill it in with this right here. Oh, that would be pretty. All right, let's do that because I'm probably not going to put anything there. There's enough room to finish writing. And this is a vellum sticker. Oops, I accidentally ripped it. My fault. And we will just add this here. And then I think I'm going to call it done. And that is my August like planner, creative planner.